All right, through these doors is where you check in at. You can check in for the day pass or staying for the night. So right here is where you check in. Of course, you do have to have your bags checked. No alcohol is allowed in. So keep that outside in your vehicle. After you check in here, get your room or your wristbands and have your bags checked, you might want to check out Club Reveal. This is the party zone for typically Fridays and Saturday nights. We have a DJ booth up top and of course a great big dance floor. A few bars. There's a bar on the back side of this Club Reveal. There is also VIP section. And then right through this arch is the bar. And this, of course, is a full service bar. You can also order food here from the kitchen. And back on the back side of this bar is a pool table, so you can play some pool as well. Great place to grab a drink. Right after you check in at the front desk, you walk through these double doors and it takes you to the conversation pool. The conversation pool is, of course, heated and it has beautiful flow to it with a sitting ledge all the way around the edge of this large conversation pool. And then over on the side, there is another hot tub. That temperature on that hot tub is a little warmer than the conversation pool. All right, beside the conversation pool, you'll notice lots of nice chairs, some seating areas. Many people will sit on the edge of the pool if it gets a little warm, or sit inside the seating on the edge of the pool, inside the pool as well. Back over on this side of the property, there are two more pools. These are the volleyball pools. And beside the volleyball pools, on the back side of the volleyball pools, is actual sand volleyball courts as well. So plenty of activities to keep you busy here at Paradise Lakes. Check out the main feature at Paradise Lakes. It is the fabulous pools. There are multiple pools here in the center of the courtyard. The rooms face the pool. All of the rooms face the pool. There are multiple rooms to choose from. Let's take a look closer at the pools. There are some nice sun sails above certain spots of the pool, so if you need a little shade, it's available. As well as in the back, there's a back area that has more chairs and some sunshade. Over here, we have a few showers available for rinsing off before or after the pool. And then right beside these showers is the main bar. Let's take a look at the Key West bar. There's plenty of seating in here, as well as the full service bar and full service restaurant menu out here as well. You can get all of your lunch and dinner needs right here without leaving property. Pickleball is a very popular pastime here at Paradise Lakes, and there are 6 brand new pickleball courts. In the view of the pickleball courts, you can see behind there are some condos available. Some of those condos are available for rent and some are available for sale. So you can get a piece of Paradise Lakes and have a view of these pickleball courts. This is one of 50 rooms available at Paradise Lakes. Come on in, take a peek. All the rooms are modest, but have everything you need. You have a bed, a bathroom, a mini fridge, a microwave, and of course, they all lead out to the pool. To book a room, you can call Paradise Lakes, but you can also go to their website. The website is paradiselakesresorts.com. We'll put that link in the show notes below. You can click on it to find out more information about Paradise Lakes. Let's take a peek inside the playrooms. this space is 4 rooms put together. Both the center rooms have couches, along with some apparatuses, like this spanking bench. There are 2 bathrooms in here as well. And then flanked on the 2 outside rooms, there is a play bed with cleanable vinyl bedding on top of the bed. Of course, in this space, garbage cans, places for towels. And then over here is the other bed. Notice in these playrooms, there are no doors. There are also no curtains, so this is an open play space. It still would be etiquette to ask a couple if you could join or if you could watch, but since there's no door and no curtain, couples should be expected to be watched while they're in here. This is one of 3 play spaces that is available at Paradise Lakes. The other one we're going to look at next is an outdoor play space. Let's go check it out. This is the outdoor play space. Notice there are couches, and then you have some smaller bed styles up here, but this is a great place to play under the stars or in the sun with semi-private. There is some lattice work here on the sides, so it's a semi-private space, and there are great views overlooking the whole resort. All right, now for the third play space. It is located next to the Key West bar and in front of an outdoor pool table and outdoor dart area. Before you enter the play space, there is 2 bathrooms over here on the left. Let's take a look inside this play space. Now, whenever you enter, there is a security person sitting here, and they're checking to be sure that you do not have any drinks and that you are in a towel only or naked. No clothes are allowed into this play space. There are lockers available for you to put your things. The way the lockers work is you choose a locker, you take the lock off, and then there is a little key tag. You put this on your wrist, you put your items inside the locker, close the locker, lock the locker, and then whenever you're finished, the security guard outside opens the lock for you based on your key number. All right, after you get changed and derobed, you step through this area right here. This is a bin for used towels. So in this area here, you would grab your towels and then come in through the door. This is a couples only play space. Upon entering, you will notice the beautiful sheer curtains. You'll notice the lighting, very sexy lighting. Upon entering on the right-hand side, the first thing you see is a big poster bed. All of the beds have excellent washable, of course, bedding on them, and it is clean. Beside the beds, there's spray and towels that after you play, it is etiquette to clean the bed off. And of course, use your towel, lay on your towel. Over on this area, on the left side, is the group play space. You'll notice that the beds are a little higher than normal. They were built for this height for a reason. So 3 king-size beds put together, which is the group play space. And then out on this space right here, we have some couches and some interesting video will be playing every Friday and Saturday night, or whenever the playrooms are open. And then this area through here is a sheer curtain hallway. The first area on the right has some benches, some spanking benches. Notice on the back, the spray bottle as well as a basket of paper towel for you to clean off after you're done. And then the next room has swings And these are very sturdy from the top. They're not going anywhere. And then the last room on the right has an interesting table with a spot for some feet. All right, let's go check out another space. Here in the back of this area is a room dedicated to Sybians. There are 2 Sybians back here, as well as the garbage can and the disinfectant and paper towel. A fun play space. Now remember, some etiquette in playrooms. Always use communication. If you want to join a couple, some great ways of asking to join a couple would be, may I touch? May we watch? May we join? And then some answers are enthusiastically yes, or yes please, but also no, and no thank you, not tonight, or not right now. All acceptable answers. Thanks for joining us visiting Paradise Lakes, located just 30 minutes north of Tampa. A great place to come if you're looking for a nudist lifestyle resort. Come check it out.